So, this morbidly obese child, Nickolas Green Outdoors, he does a video, he's a... Well, no, I'm not pooping. Shut up. No, I'm not pooping. Why you open the door? I'm not pooping. Shut up. I'm trying to shave. He morbidly obese, in a solo camp, outdoors, fake prop, fake storm, no child is gonna survive a real storm in the camp. And let's share all of his videos. Let's give him 1.5 million views, so he can buy some more food and get more obese, That's what y'all do. That's how y'all do me. Yeah, how y'all do Nickolas Green. You're trying to make him get all messed up with that. Okay?